Good evening, I'm Chief Meteorologist Mark Reynolds. We continue to watch for a possibility of more light snow across the region. I want to show you our Doppler radar because as you look at this, we continue to see that moisture streaming into the region. And I do want to point out what's going on to our south. You look there, we're seeing light snow showers. And just as we make this image a little more full screen for you, you're seeing the light snow continuing across the mountains, parts of southwest Virginia from Wytheville down to Boone, and seeing light snow across northeast Tennessee. Our concern, though, for the overnight is what's going on to the south. This is the area we're looking at now, just south of Chattanooga, basically, all the way down to Montgomery. This is the concerning area because that is what's going to be pushing towards north and the northeast overnight. So as it makes its way into the region, we are looking at a possibility for more accumulating snow, maybe as much as 1 to 2 inches for the lower elevations. Higher terrain could see maybe as much as 2 to 4 inches. That would be through the overnight early morning period. So as a result, winter storm warnings continue in effect there for the pink. That's western North Carolina, parts of southwest Virginia. Winter weather advisories, southwest Virginia into the Tri-Cities, so much of northeast Tennessee. That's where we're anticipating the accumulating snow. Now watch this map carefully. You're watching it. You see the light blue. That's where we're anticipating the best chance for accumulating snow. Again, lower elevations, maybe 1 to 2 inches. Higher terrain, maybe as much as 2 to 4 inches. And as we go through the early morning, it just lingers with us and finally begins to shift to our east by the late morning into the noontime hour. We'll see a little bit of sunshine. Then the next system drops in from the west and northwest. This is going to bring another round of light snow back to the area late tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night. And because of the wind flow, we could see an additional 1 to 2 inches of snow for some of the higher peaks. The rest of us may see a light dusting to maybe close to an inch of snow. Now for the overnight, though, this from midnight through the early morning hour, I do want to stress the fact from Wytheville to Marion to Abingdon, including parts of the Tri-Cities, we could see an additional 1 to 2 inches of snow. Heavier snow totals over the mountains. Again, some areas could see an additional 2 to 4 inches, and by far the heaviest snow pushing off to our east. Just want to give you that weather update for the overnight early morning period. If you are traveling into North Carolina, roadways are extremely hazardous. A lot of snow has been falling from Asheville to southwestern North Carolina, including parts of the upstate of South Carolina down to Georgia. We'll keep you updated right through the weekend. For now, I'm Chief Meteorologist Mark Reynolds.